How to open a Roth IRA in 2025. First of all, check eligibility, so ensure your income is below $150,000 single or $2,036 married. For a full contribution over 50, you can contribute an extra $1,000. Now, choose a provider. So select a financial institution like Fidelity, Vanguard, or a robo-advisor like Betterment for easy management. Now you need to gather your documents, so you'll need your government-issued ID, your social security number, your bank account info, and a proof of income. Now you can complete the application, so fill out an online form, verify your identity, and choose your beneficiaries. Now you need to fund your account, so transfer funds via bank transfer, check, or rollover from another IRA. The 2025 contribution limit is 7K or 8K if over 50. Now select your investments, so pick index funds, ETFs, or target date funds based on your retirement goals. You can set up contributions, so automate your contributions and start early to maximize growth. Thanks for watching.